why it is beeping? Did you close the doors? Yeah, it stopped. Oh no, why again it is beeping? Dad, just wear seat belt as I did. Okay, I will wear seat belt. Yeah, it stopped. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with clusters warning indicator part 2. This symbol indicates parking assist indicator. Generally, if the parking assist light is illuminated in green on your dash, it indicates that the system is active and assessing the road around you. You may need to toggle a button to turn the system on, or it may turn on automatically at low speeds or when the reverse mode is engaged. The symbol indicates service required indicator. The service required light is mainly used to remind drivers when it is time to change the oil and filter, but could be used for other fluids or components. Now this light is mainly used to remind the driver to change fluids, while the engine light will show that a fault has been detected. The symbol indicates adaptive lightning indicator. The adaptive lightning warning light means there is an issue with automatic function for the front headlights which could be caused by that. The symbol indicates headlight range control. Means depending on what level it's set to, the headlight range control adjusts the position of the light cones in headlight according to the load that the vehicle is carrying. This gives the driver the best visibility possible and means that oncoming traffic will not be dazzled. The symbol indicates rear spoiler warning indicator. Means the rear spoiler warning light indicates that a fault has been detected with the spoiler system. The system will be temporarily deactivated to prevent any damage from occurring. The symbol indicates convertible roof warning indicator. This light will illuminate when the roof is opening or closing. When the light shuts off, it indicates that everything has been locked down and normal driving can resume. That typically the system will only warn the driver of a fault during startup. The symbol indicates that airbag warning indicator. That means your airbags are deactivated. It means they will not deploy properly if you get into an accident. The symbol indicates handbrake warning indicator. It illuminates to show that the parking brake or emergency brake is engaged and must be released before driving. If it remains lit after the parking brake is released, or if it turns on and off intermittently while you are driving, it means you need to add brake fluid. The symbol indicates that water and fuel filter indicator. A warning indicator on the dash will let you know when too much water has been collected and the fuel filter needs to be emptied. And this symbol also indicates airbag deactivated indicator. The symbol indicates fault problem indicator. The symbol indicates that there is a problem in the vehicle. The symbol indicates dipped beam headlights indicator. Means the main light on a motor vehicle with the beam in a lower angle position to enable oncoming traffic to see. and it illuminates when we on it. The symbol indicates dirty air filter indicator. It will illuminate when there is a reduced airflow to the engine, which affects your car gas mileage and performance. This symbol indicates eco driving indicator. An eco indicator light helps the driver drive in a more fuel efficient way. It does this by monitoring your acceleration and indicating when you are driving in a way that wastes gas. If you step too hard on the accelerator, the eco indicator light disappears from your instrument display. The symbol indicates hill descent control indicator. The owner's manual will detail how your vehicle's hill descent control works and when you can use it. This indicator light cannot tell you when the brakes are being applied, but you will know it's working if your vehicle is maintaining a constant speed without you having to apply the brakes. The symbol indicates temperature warning indicator. If the warning light is illuminated even after startup, it indicates that the car's computer has detected an issue within the system. The most common reasons for the warning light to display are the temperature or fluid level of the coolant. Once the engine has cooled, check the overall fluid level of the coolant. The symbol indicates ABS warning indicator. It means the ABS is not working properly. Your brakes will still work, but the ABS might not engage if you need to make an emergency stop. If both the ABS brake system light come on at the same time, your vehicle is no longer safe to drive. The symbol indicates fuel filter warning indicator. Means inside the fuel filter is a fluid level that keeps track of the amount of the water that has been collected. Once the level starts reaching maximum capacity, the fuel filter warning light will illuminate to let you know to empty the filter. The symbol indicates door open indicator. It will illuminate when we forgot to close the doors. It will remember that to close the doors. The symbol indicates bonnet open indicator. It will illuminate when we forgot to close the bonnet. The symbol indicates the low fuel indicator. It will illuminate when the fuel is less in the vehicle. The symbol indicates automatic gearbox indicator. Means there is an issue with the transmission, possibly the fluid temperature or fluid level or the pressure. The symbol indicates speed limiter indicator. It will illuminate when a speed has been set and the limiter is active. It will appear in green unless or until the set speed is reached, when it turns in yellow. The symbol indicates in suspension damper indicator. It indicates a active suspension issue that needs to be checked. This version is called an active damper system, where a damper is actually a shock absorber. Here the symbol is connected to an air suspension system, which has the ability to raise or lower the vehicle. The symbol indicates oil pressure low indicator. The low oil pressure light is a warning that there is not enough oil pressure or that the oil level is too low. The symbol indicates windscreen defrost indicator. What the defrost indicator light means, whenever this light is illuminated, the defroster is turned on. The symbol indicates boot open indicator. It will turn on when we forgot to close the boot. The symbol indicates stability control off indicator. It will illuminate when we off the stability control. The symbol indicates rain sensor indicator. This light indicates when there is an issue with the sensor system. It will remain that deactivated until fixed. The symbol indicates engine or emission warning indicator. Means the car's emissions control system is faulty and the vehicle is polluting the air beyond allowable federal standards. A vehicle in this condition would fail an emissions inspection or smog check. Don't confuse the check engine light with the maintenance or service light. The symbol indicates rear window defrost indicator. The symbol indicates auto windscreen wiping indicator. It will automatically on when the raindrops fall on the windscreen. If you like my content, please like it. Click the subscribe button for more latest videos and updates and tap the bell icon to get notifications directly to your mobile.